Hello guys, welcome to Raw Dance. Today we're gonna learn Woman by Doja Cat. So let's go to the first move where your hip hits upwards 2 times and your hand is like dropping 2 times. Let's do it together. 1 and 2. So the next move is where you take 2 steps forward and you move your hands in a circle way with it. Let's do it together. 1 and 2. The next one is where your hands are showing a gun posture, and while you do the move, your body is like waving. Let's do it together. And then we have a chest bump just like that. Next move, we have 2 steps forward, and while you do that, your hands are like grabbing something from side to side. Do it together. 1 and 2. So for the next movement, you need to take 1 step forward with your right leg, and while doing that, your body twists to the behind and then comes back. Your hand is like throwing something, get back, just like that. So 1 and 2. So as you get back, your hip is gonna move side to side for 2 times, just like that. 1 and 2. Next move is 3 body rolls while you're stepping back and your hand is waving like that. While you do this, you need to wave and wave and wave your body 3 times. Then let's do it together. For the next move, which is a little bit fast, you're gonna take a look upwards and come back and touch your body. While you do that, you need to do a circle move with your hips, just like that. Next, your right hand is showing a gun posture and you just grab it from side to side. And then hands again in gun posture, you need 2 steps while your hand is dropping from your head to side. Do it together. 1 and 2. And then you need 2 steps, just like the beginning of the music, and then a body roll. And that's it, guys. Well done. You did the first part.